Hello, this is Humberto with Day One Pressure Washing, and lately in the videos that I posted, I've been getting comments, and those comments have been saying to get a what's it called, a turbo nozzle turbo, whatever it's called. And check it out, I got one. I'm using it. I actually had it for a while, but what happened is that it was leaking, and I had to like tighten it or whatever. But yeah, I am using it. So thank you guys for pushing me and just suggesting tools that I need or I could use to make my job easier. In this part that I'm doing, I first wanted to take off the algae. That was my first focus because I didn't want the algae or the moss, whatever it is. It was green, and I didn't want it to go into the pool. So I was trying to take it off, pressure wash it, and push it away just far away. But one of the things that I did experience while pressure washing the pool area is that there's nothing that you can do for the dirt to go into the pool. Regardless, whatever you do, some of it's gonna go in the pool. I feel guilty. I just had a guilty conscience because I dirtied it. So what I did is I ended up brushing it with the broom, like the pool broom, whatever it's called. I grabbed it, and after I finished pressure washing the pool area, I just went back and I just cleaned it off. I do have a video at the towards the end where I do clean it off. It's not a very good video, but at least I did it. I just had a guilty conscience and I had to go back and do it. I don't know if other people who pressure wash, other people who own pressure washing businesses, if you guys dirty like the pool, or just have dirt going to the pool, do you guys go back and clean it? If you do, or if you don't, just share that with me. Or if there's something that you could do so the dirty water doesn't go into the pool. I know that the video has pressure washing a group home, and this is the group home that I graduated from. I went to 4 different group homes, and the reason for that was because my first 3, I ran away. I was a knucklehead, and I just ran away. I didn't listen. I didn't care. But just being on this side, I graduated, and now I'm back here pressure washing the group home, which is it's a blessing to just be here and be able to go back and support the one thing that supported me throughout these years, and to just be better. So yeah, that's part of my testimony. If you guys want to hear more, let me know. That's something you guys are interested in, and just listening to my testimony, I could share that with you guys, but I'll be in a different video. But for right now, let's get back to the video. So for this house, I did the front yard, which is kind of like the walkway to the door, kind of like the water fountain area, and then the pool area, which was actually pretty big. And then I did the walkway to the back door, and it kind of had like a patio too. And then there was a back house that was just built, and I did the front of it, the front concrete of it as well. It took me nearly 6 hours, or like 6 hours. I didn't expect it to take me that long. So my next goal right now, I guess the goal that I have right now, is to get a bigger surface cleaner. I think it's like the 20-inch or whatever. It's like the bigger ones. That's my goal, because I know that's going to help me out so much, and it's going to cut my time in half. So that's the next goal. I didn't record the front when I pressure washed the front of the house, because I was trying to save the battery for the pool area, which was pretty much the whole point of the video. And also a few hours into recording, my battery was low. My phone started to die, and I had to start recording just to get some before and after pictures. But I want to apologize because I didn't get good angles on certain parts as I'm recording, and because of the shade, you can't really see the way it's cleaning. You can't really see like the dirt getting removed, but in other parts you can. So I apologize for that. I want to say thank you guys for all the support, the likes, the views, the comments. It's been helping me a lot. It's been made me think about the future, such as getting rain boots and just getting equipment, or getting this or doing that. Just a big thank you. That's actually helping me out. But other than that, I think that's it. Go ahead, like, subscribe, man. Let's run it up. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully this motivates you. Hopefully this helps you fall asleep. Hopefully this is entertainment while you're taking a lunch break, doing your job, whatever it is. Hopefully you guys enjoy. Have a good day.